Okay, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about Ryobi again. Yeah, I did it again. Couldn't pass up the deal, so let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Okay, here you go. I'm not going to spend too much time on the box itself, because as you can see, they shipped them in this box. They didn't put these in another box, a brown box or anything. And of course the boxes got kind of messed up. And the UPS driver they was shipped 2 different days, even though it was one order, but they just walk up and drop it. They don't set it down. Anyway, that's a whole different story. So as you can see, it's the drill, or somewhat see, drill, 2 batteries and a charger, and it came with a bag. You get that, you also get the high torque impact. As you can see, it came with a charger. Here's the charger. Now, I don't know if that's a fast charger or what it is. Don't know. But anyway, move that out of the way. And it came with 2 batteries. These are the 2 amp hour high performance batteries. Whatever that means. I think I got some 4 amp hour batteries like this too. Anyway, here's the impact. It's supposed to have 1170 foot-pounds of torque. But you remember when I said the UPS driver just brings it up and drops it? I don't know if that was done in the right there by her dropping it or what, but kind of sucks. This thing's kind of on the hefty side. And here's your hammer drill, 1/2 inch chuck. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that. See if y'all can read that stuff right there. Okay. I don't know why it was blurry, but I wiped the lens off. It looks a little bit better now anyway. But there's the numbers on it. A lot of people like to see that kind of stuff. And yes, it does have, hold on, let me get it turned back around. Set it down. It does have a metal chuck. This ring is loose on it. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not. And of course the handle, you just loosen the handle and this thing just comes off. It just clamps on to the drill like that. It comes off pretty easy. Nothing to it. Okay, this is the other drill that I have. Of course, this one's not brushless. It's brushed. Of course, I got the new battery on it, so it'll stand up. But you know, it's just like the new one. It's got 2 speeds, and except for this one has a plastic chuck on it. It's a 1/2 inch, just like the new one, but the new one is well, let's move that one out of the way and bring this one over here. Here's the new one. The new one is, of course, a hammer drill, and it's brushless. And let me bring the other one back and show you it's not brushless. Now that drill right there, I've had that drill along with the little 1/4 inch impact driver. It holds little bits, you know, for driving screws and whatnot. It's not brushless either. But I've had it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, something like that. And they work. They work great. But now I will tell you, this one works better. Let me move that out of the way. The brushless one works better. Look at the size difference. Got them pretty much even. Look at the size difference. The brushed one is much longer than the little brushless one. Now the brushless one looks like it might be a little bit taller, but that's all right. And you know, they got the same battery, so that ain't, the battery ain't making it taller. I don't know. There's that again, in case you didn't see it. Hopefully it focuses. Anyway, let's get the other one over here. Okay, here it is. With the battery on it, the 2 amp hour. As you can see right there, brushless. And there's the numbers of it. It seems to be pretty strong. And 3 lights. I like that they're around here. That way it actually points to where this socket is going, instead of the light being down here like the Milwaukee and having to shine up. I guess it shines up. But it has your different modes, 1, 2, 3, and what is that? What did it say? A for, I guess that's automatic. I haven't read up on it, so I don't know what that is. It might be, I've used it on 3, but it might be where it slows down once it gets something loose. I don't know. That's, to me, that's dumb. Okay, I almost forgot. If you buy this, now I wanted to check, and I actually forgot to do that too. But I wanted to check and see what these 2 tools was separately. I'm pretty sure I seen the impact was $219 by itself, and I think that was with no battery. I'm not sure what the hammer drill is by itself. I think you can get it in a kit with the batteries, but I'm not sure how much it was. I think it was around $149, $159, something like that. Okay. Well, with the sale that was going on, I guess it was a Black Friday sale, whatever. Now, I don't know when you're going to see this video, but you buy the 1/2-inch hammer drill, you get the 2 batteries, the charger, a bag to put them in for $159, and you get the 1/2-inch high torque impact for free. That's all I got for this video. I just wanted to show you the Ryobi stuff. I know a lot of people hate it, but according to a few people on YouTube and a couple different people in the Home Depot stores, the workers that work in the tool section, they say Ryobi is the #1 selling power tool right now. Or, you know, cordless tools, whatever. I don't know if that's true. I'm not going to argue with them, though. It is what it is. Hope you like it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.